Hi everyone, welcome to Szenan-Balance Live. I'm Szenan-Balance from Szenan-Balance, the acupuncturist. Now, today's topic, we're going to talk about leaky gut. And because one of my friends on Facebook and mentioned that can I talk about leaky gut? What acupuncture and acupressure point are good for leaky gut? Then yes, I'm going to talk about this topic today. Then what I'm going to include in this live video is what is leaky gut and what are the symptoms of leaky gut. And then in the end, I'm going to show you some acupressure point, 3 acupressure point for leaky gut that you can do it yourself at home, or if you're an acupuncturist, you can just simply put needle on those points, right? Hi, Veronica. Good morning. Yes, we are morning here. Yeah, we are about, let's see, what time is it? At 10:30 at the moment. Let's talk about leaky gut. Right. So what is leaky gut? First, we need to understand where it actually comes from. It's not a medical doctor term that called leaky gut. Okay, there's a lot of argument about leaky gut, but it actually a lot of scientists has been proved that there's exists in leaky gut. Right. Hi, Leah. How are you? So the human digestion tract is where food is broken down in nutrients and absorbed. So we talk about the intestine in here, right? The digestion system also plays an important role in protecting your body from harmful substances, right? And which is those substances we look at it, bacteria and some toxin stuff, right? So the walls of intestine aid its berries controlling way into the bloodstream to be transported to your organs, right? So we all know that the intestine it actually absorbs the nutrients and water and whatever we need, So in this way that on the wall of the intestine, it actually we call something that has some gaps, right? And this gap we call tight junctions. It is things in between, and it's very tight. It holds together, so it sends some junction in between, just like this, right? So this gaps, tight junctions, it allow the nutrients, the water, the good stuff, to go through, to absorb into the bloodstream, and that's normal function. And they also prevent those toxins and bacteria to actually go through. And this go through, it called in medical term we call what we call it permeability. Yeah, permeability. That's right. So when the gap is too big, looser, it become bigger, then it allow the toxins and bacteria actually go through and go into the bloodstream, and that become a problem. What problem is that? When it go into the bloodstream, it create a lot of inflammation. Your body realizes it, and it creates a lot of inflammation. It actually that's how we call leaky gut. Okay, this is how we call leaky gut. And all the toxins and bacteria actually go through a bloodstream, and they create a lot of inflammation, and it cause problem. And what symptoms what we get, right? There's about 10 of them in here. Is chronic diarrhea. Diarrhea, which is normally we go bowel motion once every day or 2 or 3 times every day, and it's firm. And we eat every day, we pass every day. We talk about constipation yesterday, and we talk about what's a normal bowel motion, right? Then if you go bowel motion every day, 3 to 5 times a day, or even more in that, often go and it's loose, then that's diarrhea. What if you go, and it can cause diarrhea as well as constipation. Now, if your bowel motion go one every few days, 1 every 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days, and that's constipation, right? And hard to pass, you know, and that's constipation. And it can cause gassy, like passing a lot, and bloating, very discomfort in the tummy. So that is tummy symptom, right, on the digestion. And nutrition deficiency. And the nutrition deficiency will be, it'll cause a lot of other symptoms like fatigue and sleepy and frustration, you know, and very weak, or even water retention, you know, and poor immune system, which means you don't just get fatigue, you actually get flu easily. So that's one of the symptoms. And headaches and memory loss and brain fog. So headaches, yeah, people get headaches a lot, right? So it may be caused from leaky gut, right? And memory loss. And yeah, we talk about excessive fatigue is one of the main symptoms as well. Skin problem like such as eczema, acne, you know, skin rash, redness, itchiness, all the skin problem is type of inflammation issues. And craving for sugar or carbohydrates. Now, craving for sugar, right, is another symptom for leaky gut. And commonly, people have pain conditions, and that is one of the main symptoms for leaky gut, like arthritis, joint pain, muscle pain. Yes, this is one of the symptoms of leaky gut. Depression, anxiety, ADD, and ADHD, and that's another symptom, right? An autoimmune system such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, celiac disease, or Crohn's disease. Okay, all these 10 conditions that commonly associate with leaky gut. All right. So if we go through slowly, we spend some time and talk about how those symptoms related to our organs according to Chinese medicines. Right. So chronic diarrhea and constipation and gassy and bloating, they are actually related to what organs? Stomach, spleen, large intestine, small intestine, right? So if we try to get to organs diagnose, you know, figure out the organs problem. And nutrition deficiency, well, is big. If we lack of nutrition in our body, right, then all organs will function slow, become slow, and then dysfunction, right? And poor immune system. That poor immune system mainly come from stomach and spleen problem, right? According to Chinese medicine, but it can due to other organs as well. Headache, brain fog, and memory loss. And this is kidney control the brain functioning. And if the brain functioning is low, then it means kidney functions low and the memory start to get way off, right? And foggy head and can't focus. And headaches, it can be from heart, because heart control thinking, and it can be from any other organs, to be honest. Okay, excessive fatigue, yes, it can be for any organs, right? Skin problem, that skin problem actually from the lung, because the lung controls skin. That is what according to Chinese medicines. And craving sugar again is from stomach and spleen weakness, and they haven't got the proper function, so they crave sugar to try to keep up the energy. Joint pain, so joint pain and arthritis is a symptom from liver and gallbladder, because liver and gallbladder control joints. Depression, yes, liver problem. Anxiety, stomach and spleen issues. ADD, it can be stomach and spleen and kidney or liver. Autoimmune system, autoimmune system is a very broad thing. It varies a lot of different disease can fit in it, like rheumatoid arthritis. Arthritis, yes, with liver and gallbladder, but rheumatoid, it can be with heart and kidney too. Lupus, heart problem. And celiac disease, stomach and spleen, large intestine, small intestine. Crohn's disease, large intestine problem, and they can associate with stomach and spleen as well. So look at those 10 symptoms. We put it down as leaky gut. But when it comes to Chinese medicines, we need to understand all this symptom associated with leaky gut and actually linked to a lot of different organs according to Chinese medicines. All right. So once we understand all this, and what can we do about it? Okay, I'm here to show you some acupressure point for it. Right. So the first acupressure point. Now, if you're in here right now, right, please give you a thumbs up. Then remember to say hello to me. Yeah, I normally do this live video at nighttime in here, but I changed it to morning time. Then hopefully that different people can watch this live video, right? Create new different people to join in. And I do need you to share this video on your Facebook, on your social media, because this will help more and more people. And I'm here to help more and more people. I do live video every day and to show acupuncture and acupressure point to help everyone that who suffer from this problem and who can get help or who can get some self-treatment at home. Just simple acupressure point. All right. So I need you to click share on Facebook, on Instagram as well, and on YouTube. Please, when we finish this, please get the link and share on your social media. Thank you very much. Now, okay, that's said about. Let's show you some acupressure point right now. So this is large intestine 4, which is He Gu point. It's very good for gut problem, especially for leaky gut. And over here, and it's good for headache as well. If you suffer from headache, hey, this is a good point, right? So over here, so on between, if you put your hand, thumb, and index finger together, you can see that's bump up in here, and that is where the point is. Okay, and another way to get to this point is open your thumb and index fingers like this, and you can see that the line over here, and use your thumb. I got a cut yesterday. It's quite painful, so I can't do acupressure for myself using my thumb now. But you don't have to just choose your thumb. You can do knuckle, right? So over here, use this line, match here. All right. So where your thumb is, the tip of your thumb is. Okay, this is large intestine 4. All right. So you can use your knuckle. Like I got a cut here. I can't do it, but I can use my knuckle and to press over here. So I want you to press it and rub it for about 9 seconds or even longer, like 15, 30 seconds or up to 1 minute. And that's okay. That's good too. So I want you to do from here. This is second metacarpal bone. It's right next to the second metacarpal bone. And you want to test it out, not just at this point. Go up and down to search the most sensitive one. When you get the sensitive point, just give it a rubbing for 9 seconds, 15 or 30 seconds, or even up to 1 minute. Do it once a day. Okay, once a day, 1 minute, once a day, easy, right? So the second point I'm going to show you is over here. So get your palm up like this. On your palm side, it's actually on your forehead. So 3 fingers from the wrist, the crease of the wrist, from here down here, right? So you see that level over here. Hi, so white car. Nice to meet you, Dragana. Nice to meet you, Leo. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching and joining us. So 3 fingers down here like this, right? Over here. So the point, this is called pericardium 6. Pericardium 6. So you want to get your finger between the tendon. There are two tendons over here. So I find that sometimes the tendon between the tendon, the point, that's how we locate the point, but it doesn't actually be sensitive. The most sensitive one is actually most time is on the side. So tendons outside of tendon and inside of tendon. On both sides of tendon, you should try to, like in my case, I don't have tenderness between the tendons. I don't have it in here, but my one is actually in here, over here, right, over here. Sorry, I off the camera, you didn't see it. So I'll show you again. So 3 fingers over here on this line. So between the tendon, between the tendons, right? So press it and see whether it's sensitive or not. If it's not, try the other side. So on the side of the tendon, and try the other side of the tendon as well. So both sides, you could try it out and see which one is more sensitive. Get the sensitive one. Like for me, it's actually on that side, on the thumb side. So I press it and rub it for up to 1 minute. Okay. So if you can't find anything in here, go 1 finger up, which is 1 level up, and try between the tendon. Oh, this is tendon. And sideways as well, nothing on the sideways. This is tendon on the between. At this point, between. So I need to get to here for about 1 minute. Right. So, and the other side as well. Test out the other side. Nothing in here. If you can't find that one and that one, lower 1 level and try it out. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, nothing on this level. If this is 9 different point, 9 different area, if you can find any of them are tenderness, then don't just put one, massage 1 point. I want you to do, or I suggest you to do all of them. You know, any sensitive point over here, you will get them. You will get them. You definitely will feel them. And your mission is to get rid of all this sensitive point, right? So that is your mission. Once every day. You know, can you do it? If you want to get better from leaky gut, this is something that you can do, because all this point that I just showed you, it can improve the organ's function. What I mean is not just one organ, not just intestine. It improves all the organs, you know. I just show you that just now that all the 10 symptoms of leaky gut, it actually associated with, linked to a lot of different organs, right? So in this case, we're treating, in Chinese medicine, we treat, in acupuncture, we treat leaky gut. We're not just treating intestine. We're treating all the organ, of course, including intestine, you know, including intestine. All right, let's keep going. The last point I should show you this person, this acupuncture guy, girl, actually. So on your kneecap, right, this is a kneecap. If one have it, you tap it, is actually, I'm standing right here, so no, if I'm sitting down, I can show you my kneecap. Underneath the kneecap on the middle, and you can feel a big tendon. And on both sides of the tendon, you can see hollow. One in the outside, one in the inside. When I say outside, it's actually closer to your little toe side. And when I say inside, it's a big toe side. All right. So those two hollow, we call knee eyes, just like your eyes staying over there. And the tendon is actually the nose area in here. And both hollow is your eyes. Okay, now I want you to use the outside, which is a little toe side, knee eyes, and put your 4 fingers below that. So on the top of knee eye over here, and Chinese is called Du Bi, and I think this is called stomach 37, maybe. I don't know. I know the Chinese name. I don't know about the English. So on the external knee eyes, 4 finger below it. So you get to 4 finger below it. and about 1 finger distance from the bone, okay, from the tibia bone. And this bone is a tibia bone or shin bone. It should be shin bone, right? So the bone, you don't rub on the bone. It's 4 fingers below it. It comes down to here, which is you're gonna find out the stomach 36, right? And 1 finger apart from, like 1 finger distant, like this distance, apart from the bone, right? On the same level of 4 fingers there. So around that, you up and down and sideways a little bit and get the most sensitive one. When you get to the most sensitive one, hey, rub it for 1 minute. Rub it for 1 minute. So I want you to do it 1 point, 2 point, 3 point on the leg, right? Those 3 points, you do it once every day. Once every day, all right? Apart from that, we show you that the daily massage of ear. You know, I normally massage this ear, but I got a cut on my thumb that I can't do it. I have to change on that ear, right? So rub your ear every day. Why is that? Because when you do your ear every day, if you do it and you get heat all around your ear, and you have to do the organ as well, if you not sure what to do, you're not sure how to do it, check my YouTube. You know, I've got the video for you and show you how to do the ear massage properly. And the ear massage can treat all the organs, and you treat the entire body as well, because a lot of people have all the symptoms actually cover all entire body, like skin problem, immune system problem, like joint pain, you see, all cover the body. So you want to massage all the ear and get a bit heat on your ear, and then you will find all your entire body blood flow increase. You'll feel heat, and some people even get what? Get sweaty, and that's a very good sign if you do that, you know. And that means that all circulation go through your body, entire body. So you should, apart from those 3 acupressure points that I just showed you, you should do all this, right? Then for acupuncturists, if you're an acupuncturist, and I strongly suggest you go online and check my video, Magical Plus One, because Magical Plus One are the best strategy for leaky gut, right? Magical Plus One. I have 1 video, but that is actually showing Magical 8 Plus One. It's actually showing how to improve your immunity to prevent virus, flu, and that is actually very good for what? All the organs, the gut, leaky gut as well. And yes, so this is something that I want to show you, and some of you are actually asking me to do this video for leaky gut. Here's leaky gut live video. Okay, I hope you like it, and if you love this live video, I'm gonna do it every day. Then I hope you join in, and the more important thing is give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. I love you all, and stay awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.